This is a Kia 477 in the Kia housing with my 26 line LSD. Bam! On the money, first shot at everything, really. But this is going to be your same thing. If you have the Kia, you just got it from your junkyard, whatever, same process. We're going to just swap this carrier into this housing. Either you went to the junkyard, you pulled one out, and you realize that it's a giant pain to actually get it out. You're going to come back with this, right? 14 millimeters. We're just going to zip all this off. Nothing matters here. Once you get down to here, you're gonna want one of these. It's an impact screwdriver because these are in there. So you have it all torn apart, and I strongly recommend you do this. You're already here. There's no point, if you have an LSD, pull it apart, measure it, fix it now instead of just slamming it together. Or slam it back together. It's your car, I don't care. So you'll need your calipers, however the hell you want to pronounce it. And Mazda, luckily, I'll put it up on the screen. Mazda has every measurement, total stack up. They give us everything so we can see where we are. So I've already gone through this stuff, but anyways, stack up works. Cool. This is the carrier that I need, mostly because of these side gears. These will actually go on my new axles. Make sure you drop those on the ground so they're floor models. I probably just messed up the threads. So you'll take that, take your washer, that goes in first. Then you'll take your spring washer, that goes in. And it is a order of that one. You kind of only get one shot at this to where it's not a giant pain. Let's grab a torque wrench. Torque wrench. Torque wrench acquired. So the spec is 51 to 61 foot-pounds. That's a big difference. But we're at 56 foot-pounds. All around, went around 3 different times at 56. We're at 56. So let's go back over to the other bench and do some more. Now we're going to work on the actual third member piece. Oh, that is going to work. Torque to 94 foot-pounds. 94 pounds of feet. Pinion bearing preload. Very important. I use a spring scale. So when you do this, make sure you're not reading breakaway torque. So if I look at breakaway, I'd say it's 18 inch-pounds. We don't care about that. Mazda wants 5.5 to 8.8 inch-pounds of bearing preload, and we need to do that when we are in motion, not breakaway. I would say I'm in that 8 area. Now we'll grab our guy, and this is where the balancing act comes in. So these guys actually set the positioning of definitely easier to see. I mean, I guess you can kind of see the pattern. Now we'll look at the coast side. You can definitely see it on the coast side. So we're a little to the inside, which I believe is the heel. So we're a little heel side, not much up here on the toe, but we are pretty centered. Pretty centered. I'm gonna mess with this. I'm gonna really try to dial it in. Right on at our 0.002. Here's the fun part, because we don't want to destroy our backlash. We don't want to destroy our gear pattern. But now we need to make sure that it's actually going to fit into our axle housing. And this is where it gets fun. So it is 180/40 to 180/50. And I am right in the middle. Bam! On the money, first shot at everything, really. I did play with the, not backlash, but the patterning. Played with that a little bit. Got it a little bit better, but it was pretty much set. That's what we need. And it's a pain to do underneath the car, especially when you put it together and you don't take that measurement. Like every bit of these measurements is critical. That one sucks when you get it wrong and you're too wide and you're underneath the car and you're fighting it and it just won't go in. Yeah, that'll piss you off that you have to go back and change that.